Hello kids, today we will learn 81 to 90 numbers and their names. 81 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 O-N-E-1 81 82 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 T-W-O 2 82 83 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 T-H-R-E-E 3 83 84 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 F-O-U-R 4 84 85 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 F-I-V-E 5 85 86 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 S-I-X 6 86 87 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 S-E-V-E-N 7 87 88 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 E-I-G-H-T 8 88 89 E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 N-I-N-E 9 89 90 90 N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids School Bell.